Road reclaiming is a fast-growing option in the field of reconstruction. When a road consists of deteriorated asphalt on top of untreated soil or on a base which is inadequate for today's traffic, both asphalt and base can be pulverized and blended in place to form a new stabilized base. This process causes a minimum of inconvenience to traffic. A similar process, soil stabilizing, is equally fast-growing for new road construction. It consists of scarifying the native soil and blending in lime, fly ash, or any number of other additives to produce a stabilized base. The entire operation is done in place, saving time and budget. In either case, the newly formed base is ready for compaction and fine grading. New paving materials can then be applied to form a smooth-riding, long-lasting road. Cmi Corporation makes two machines that can do both jobs faster and more efficiently than any other machines in their class. The Rs-400 Reclaimer Stabilizer was the first all-new design for this type of machine in almost 30 years. It's in a class by itself. For the contractor who does not need quite that much machine, Cmi makes the Rs-400 Reclaimer Stabilizer. It has a more conventional design appearance, but has extra power and highly productive features not found on the competition. Either of these machines can do both soil stabilizing and road reclaiming without modification, and they can work in either direction, upcutting in one direction and downcutting in the opposite direction. Government agencies from city, county, and state are finding the Rs-400 to be a very cost-effective tool for reconstructing old roads. The Rs-400 is powered by a 425 horsepower turbocharged Caterpillar diesel engine. Power is transferred to the rotor by an efficient mechanical drive system with a rotary shock-absorbing coupling. This reduces shock loads and torsional vibration throughout the cutter drivetrain for more dependable operation and longer life. The cutter assembly is center-mounted so that the entire weight of the machine is available as needed to keep the mandrel solid in the cut. The drum cuts a path of 98 inches wide and up to 16 inches deep. An optional cutter works up to 20 inches deep for soil stabilizing only. The cutting tools are free-rotating tungsten carbide tip teeth. They can be easily changed with the standard accessory tools. The steel mounting sockets can also be replaced in the field with the help of dowel pens for accurate positioning. Easy access is provided by wide-range elevation of the cutter housing and hydraulically raised strike-off gates. The rotor has 4 speed ranges to provide effective sizing for a wide variety of assignments. The operator's console can rotate 180 degrees and can lock in any position. With the optional track, it can also be positioned on the right or left side for maximum visibility. With 4-wheel steering, the Rs-400 is the most maneuverable machine in its class, with a turning radius of only 20 feet. It can even crab steer to quickly line up in the next lane. And with optional 4-wheel drive, the wide flotation tires are unstoppable. It has a travel speed of up to 12 miles per hour and a working speed of up to 2.6 miles per hour. When extra hard material is encountered, an automatic load sensing device detects the change in engine RPM and varies the forward speed accordingly. This keeps the engine working at the optimum speed for efficiency. Optional liquid distribution systems are available for hot or cold asphalt emulsions, water, or other additives. It is the same type of unit shown on this Rs-500. This Rs-400 was demonstrated on a reclaiming job in Michigan. It cut 7 inches of asphalt and 4 inches of base. A competitor's machine was also demonstrated on the same job. But when the work was completed, the contractor bought the Cmi Rs-400. In Oklahoma, this Rs-400 did soil stabilizing on a rural dirt road which was to be paved for the first time. Fly ash was spread onto the surface, then blended in to a depth of 8 inches. The Rs-400 is the latest in a long line of innovative, dependable machines designed and manufactured by CMI. It's the proper balance of brute force and high-tech controls. And as always, CMI stands behind its products and works with the contractor for the good of the industry. The Rs-400 from CMI.